Welcome to SEG Automotive, where we leverage over 100 years of e-machine competence to be a motor for the future of mobility. Today, I will take you around to show how we develop, validate and manufacture e-drives. Each e-machine design starts with the specific requirements of our customers, including packaging space, torque and power needs, thermal conditions, and system integration. Viable solutions in terms of electromagnetic design are first modeled virtually. We then run a series of digital simulations, for example, magnetic, thermal, and structural, to optimize performance and efficiency early in the engineering process. From the start, our teams for e-machine, software, and electronics are working together to create a seamlessly integrated and cost-efficient solution. Before moving to series production, we conduct strict and thorough testing to ensure our motors, our electronics, and the corresponding software not only meet expectations in theory, but will also perform reliably in the actual vehicle, on rough roads in all climates and over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. This rigorous testing includes developing and validating not just the e-machine, but the corresponding electronics and software as well. After all, e-drives are not isolated components, but integrated mechatronic systems that must perform flawlessly within the vehicle environment. This means ensuring electromagnetic compatibility, robust software communication and reliable control under all operating conditions. Once the design and all systems are fully validated, we move into series production, where precision, consistency and quality are essential. Our high-voltage production lines bring together the three core components of every e-drive: rotor, stator and inverter. Each unit is manufactured, assembled and tested to meet the high automotive standards. It all comes together under the hood. Besides high voltage systems, we also have compact 48-volt e-drives like this one, which we developed entirely in-house. From mechanics and electronics to software, this is how we bring our mechatronic expertise to the road.